How to change the lock screen, background wallpaper, and color variations on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Ultra, or the S25 Edge. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now, if you are on the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on Wallpaper and Style. Next in here, tap on the left panel. This is the lock screen panel. And on the right panel, that is your home screen panel. So you want to go to your lock screen panel. Then in here at the top, tap on Wallpapers. In here, there are different wallpapers that you can select. So we got Features Wallpaper. That is built into your device. We got Gallery, so you can select pictures and images from your picture gallery. You can also use AI to generate an image, so you can choose generative or photo ambient. Here are some built-in graphical images that you could use, or simply just choose colors or wallpaper services. So let's use an example at the top here, feature photos. So I will select this one here. Now with this particular set, you can change the effects. So here, if I tap on it, I can swipe across and select different effects for the pictures, and then tap on Applied. You can also choose a different frame. Now, depending on the wallpaper set, some set will allow you to change the frame. Some will allow you to change the color variations. So it's depending on your wallpaper set. And then tap on Done. Okay, so tap on the Home button. And now if you go to your lock screen, you can see how it has changed. Now, another way to do it is from the lock screen, touch and hold. Then tap on Wallpaper at the top. This time here, I will use this wallpaper. Here to change the color variations, you go down to the bottom and tap on Variations. Here you can swipe across and choose a different color variation. And then tap on Done. You can also change your different color. So if you go to Wallpapers and scroll down, and you can choose graphical or simply just color. So here we choose a bright color and then tap on Done. And now your screen becomes very colorful when you turn it on. Nice and bright and colorful. If it's too bright for you, you can go to Wallpapers and scroll down and choose Dynamic Lock Screen. So tap on that. Dynamic Lock Screen will rotate images every now and then. So here's to keep things fresh with different image each time you turn on the screen. New images every 2 weeks. So you can choose up to 5 different categories. Before you can use it, you need to download it. So tap on Download, Cats, Animal, Food, and Desserts. Well, Life, Plants. So just download what you want to use and then select that category. Yeah, we tap on the back key. So you can't select more than 5 categories. So I'll just select some and then tap on the back key. And here, Wallpaper apply to lock screen. So if I go to my lock screen now, you can see it will display the dynamic pictures. So every time I turn on my screen, it will be different pictures. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.